I work across two main domains like banking and financial service, governance, risk, and US healthcare project. Okay, so my work involves like building end-to-end ELT pipeline, and so where we take raw data from multiple source and we are loading into Snowflake through AWS S3 using Snowpipe and copy into command as well as from external stage. Okay, and we are transforming it using DVT, and we are also using Python for airflow tag creation and all. So that's the thing, and we are using some DVT multi-layer implementation and CTC and RVAC and all. So basically, it's brief about my role.
Okay. So which domain you have mentioned?
It's banking and financial domain in governance, risk, and compliance related domain.
Okay. So you have total 5 years into Snowflake.
Yeah, correct.
Any other ETL tool?
So I have also worked in SSIS, okay, and Informatica. I was trained in my earlier career in Cognizant only.
How do you find Snowflake as more better than other ETL tools?
So Snowflake, I like it's a cloud ecosystem. So it's a pay as you go, as well as it's a decoupled infrastructure like storage as well as compute. So we can scale up based on our need separately, and its scalability performance is better in comparison to previous ETL tool. Okay, and we have the feature like Snowpipe, stream task, okay, time travel that reduce dependency like as earlier with external ETL tool. Okay, so and there is also integration, airflow integration as well as S3 integration is maintainable. So that is the core thing for Snowflake.
What is time travel in Snowflake?
Time travel is like restoring the. It is used to help restore the data, which is like earlier we have deleted or we by mistake or some table has like we have not used the where clause and all, and the data is deleted. So that is using that is being used in time travel features.
And what is
disaster? Main thing is disaster. In terms of disaster recovery, also it helps till last 7 days. Like time travel for permanent table is 0 to 90 day plus 7 day fail safe.
Okay. So, have you heard of micro partition?
Yes, micro partition is like a yeah. Okay, please.
Yeah. So, a micro partition, in which case a micro partition is not recommended, and is it possible to implement something without micro partition in the Snowflake?
Micro partition is not recommended, right?
Yeah.
So, and what was the last?
What I've asked is Snowflake works on top of micro
Yes,
partitions,
yes,
right?
yeah, correct.
So every data, every table implemented on top of it, there's micro partitions implemented. So suppose in a particular situation, I have to avoid or exclude micro partition
Okay,
so that because somehow it is not improving the performance in case of small tables.
okay.
So how do you recommend this in Snowflake, or is it possible in Snowflake to think of this if micro partition is needed or not, something like that?
Okay, got your point. Basically, micro partition is handled by Snowflake automatically. Usually, normally we don't manually manage the partitions, but sometimes we can use like clustering key on large table or a small table to filter the specific column. So that can be applied, but like. But we cannot as per my knowledge we cannot avoid micro partition because it's automatically created by Snowflake internally for all tables.
Okay. How do you handle semi-structured data? Is it possible to work with semi-structured data in Snowflake?
Yes, JSON, XML, these are the semi-structured data we are we are handling using variant. So, mm, yeah.
Which function of SQL is required to handle this?
So, like parse JSON, letter flatten.
Hmm.
Yeah.
What does flatten do?
So, flatten is to extract the data in structured column.
Mhm. How many macros you have written in DBT?
So, basically, we till now I have used almost 10 plus macros.
Can you write any macro?
Sorry.
Can you write any macro function in chat?
Yeah, I can write. So we are using like macro function. We are starting with the percentage sign. Okay. So macro, we will use keyword like macro, and I will give the macro function name. Like suppose I use the macro function name like mask.ssn, mask hyphen ssn. So and I will provide the column name. And yeah, it will I can close by a percentage, and it will be in curly braces. So this is the start of macro, and then we can use the any SQL statement like suppose I use the this case statement like if we need like to filter not null value from any column, so I will use it, and I will filter that, and then I will apply the, like I need to concat with this masking value. So yeah, I will provide this, and I will use the like as case statement. Like if we are there is not null, then in this condition I will handle it as as null if it is null. Okay, and as per like normal case instrument, we are using the in the keyword. Okay, so I will use this keyword, and after that we need to end the macro. So we have the keyword in percentage sign. I can use in the macro in curly braces.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which version of DBT you are currently using?
So it's 1.11 I have used latest.
Okay. I'm giving you one scenario where you have to tell me the record that you will get. Okay, if you apply inner join on C1, which record you will get?
So
Hello?
yeah, please.
Yeah, if you apply inner join, did you see in chat?
Yeah. See, like, I will like it will be the result one RAM and Hyderabad. One RAM and Hyderabad.
Hyderabad?
Like HYD. Sorry.
Have you seen in chat what I have been?
Yeah.
So, can you tell me which record you will get if you apply inner join on C1?
Yeah. So it's I have used the inner join and use as one RAM Hyderabad. Sorry, HYD.
Where do you see HYD? I don't see. I pinged in second table, in second table, T2 table.
Okay.
I have put 1 comma RAM, 1 comma Shyam.
So yeah. So one there will be one record RAM, okay, and two record will be the Sam, and there will be null.
Yeah. So in inner join, which record you will get?
So inner join I will get one RAM, and left join I will get one RAM as well, and in right join I will get one RAM and two Sam.
The value for 1 RAM and 1 Shyam only. There is no 2 Shyam.
sorry, 2 Sam.
That is not correct.
See properly, there is everything is there,
Have you
right?
heard about this function?
Yes.
What was that?
Sorry.
What was that?
Can you come again, please? Sorry.
What was that function?
Null. To handle null.
Can we use this with SQL condition or join condition?
Yeah, we can use like coalesce in SQL, okay, to handle the null value.
Yeah, that is fine. But if you apply inner join on certain conditions, can you use this function?
Yes, yes, we can use.
Okay. How good you are with the Airflow?
Yeah, I'm good with Airflow.
How much you can rate yourself out of 5?
3.5.
5. Okay. What is DAG?
DAG is directed acyclic graph. Like like it's a flow of task. Like what is the order of task and all. So it's defined in DAG. So it's represent like what is the sequence of the task and what will be the dependency, as well as we can schedule this execution logic.
Do you know about lead lag function in SQL?
Yes, lead, like suppose lead we need we are having to check like uh, May month, sorry, it's May, so you need to check June month salary and all June month data. So I will use the lead function for that. If it I need to use find the previous month data, so I can use lag for that. So it's a window function in SQL.
How many procedures you have written so far?
So I have written sufficient procedure, but like it's a count. I can say it's not like I remember the how many numbers of count. You can say like 15 plus I might have written.
Yeah, I'm pretty much done from my side. I have your feedback now, so I will share it with HR and they will come back to you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for your valuable time. Yeah, have a great day.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You are not confident.
Okay.
You are not confident. Why you are afraid? No need to afraid. I am here, right? If anything happen, I'm going to take care, right? Why you are afraid? I'm here, right? And what I'm sending you, not reading that.
It was not understandable. Like I have till HYD now. HYD was
That's okay. What I'm saying,
So I stuck in that. Other thing I have.
If you are saying on your own, okay, you are saying on that is good thing, but you need to read from right what I'm saying. That's my work. That's why I'm taking money from you, right?
Yeah, that's
And what I'm going to say, that's going to be like good. Good to you.
I understand.
So you are saying what you are saying. That's correct. Combine this both. Because these are many. For leader, I need to use words previous and next salary and previous salary. These words are terminology is very important. And you are not confident. You are afraid and.
Yeah, I can understand. Like, it was the first time I am getting all the answers and all. Okay, so.